Essential piano practice routines. Today, we will concentrate on basic and simple piano exercises. These exercises are designed to enhance finger strength and flexibility. Basic fingering exercises. These exercises help develop finger strength, agility, and coordination. This is essential for playing more complex pieces with precision and ease. These exercises are crucial for beginners to improve finger strength, agility, and independence, which are essential for playing even the simplest musical pieces. Mastering basic exercises gives a sense of accomplishment and builds confidence to tackle more challenging pieces. Singing the musical notes while playing the piano can accelerate your understanding of musical tones. It is crucial to grasp the sound of musical notes in order to play the piano effectively. Acquiring knowledge of musical notes requires time and dedication. Consistent practice on the piano is essential. Fingering concept. You have the option to utilize all your fingers when playing the piano keys, but it's crucial to feel at ease while doing so. Cultivating a sense of smoothness and comfort will enable your fingers to move effortlessly across the keys. Keep in mind that consistent practice is essential for mastering the piano, so be patient and enjoy the learning process. Basic exercises. Practice playing the piano keys at a slow pace. By playing slowly, your fingers will learn more quickly. This approach allows you enough time to consider the next musical note.
Sa sa ri ri ga ga ma ma pa pa dha dha ni ni sa 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 ni ni dha dha pa pa ma ma ga ga ri ri sa sa. Sa ri ga ma sa ri ga ma sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa sa ni da pa sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Sa ri ga ma pa pa sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa ma ma sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. sa ri ga ma pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga ri sa. Sa ga ri ma ga pa ma dha sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa dha ni pa ma dha pa ga sa ni dha pa ma ga ri sa.
Practice tip. Cultivating a regular practice habit is essential. Aim to practice at least once a day, whether it's early in the morning after breakfast or in the evening. Even a short session of 20 to 30 minutes can be highly effective if done consistently. To establish this habit, try committing to a daily practice routine for a month. This will help ingrain the practice into your daily schedule, making it less of a chore and more of a natural part of your day. We hope you enjoyed the content and are thrilled to continue this musical journey with us. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Remember to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest lessons. Keep an eye out for more engaging tutorials.